In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Microsoft Word files for Office teams in SharePoint or OneDrive for Business. The goal is to make documents easy to find, easy to maintain, and consistent across your team. We'll start by setting up a clear structure in your shared environment. Instead of letting one giant folder collect thousands of files, create a logical hierarchy that mirrors how your organization actually works. At the top level, use broad categories like departments or major projects. Think marketing, sales, HR, or a specific initiative such as Project X 2025. This immediately gives people a mental map of where to start. Under each top-level area, break things down by document type or project phase to match how people use the files. For example, marketing might have campaigns and branding assets. A project area might include drafts and feedback, final deliverables, and templates. Keep the hierarchy shallow. Avoid more than 3 to 4 levels of nesting. Deep folder trees slow people down and increase the chance that files get misplaced. If you're wondering whether to add another level, consider whether a smarter naming convention or metadata could do the job instead. Next, take advantage of Microsoft Word and the cloud features built into SharePoint and OneDrive for Business. Store Word documents in the cloud so your team can co-author in real time. That means multiple people can work in the same document at once, without the confusion of emailing attachments back and forth. If something goes wrong, use version history to roll back. In Word, go to File, then Info, and select Version History to view and restore earlier versions. It's a safety net that saves time and preserves accuracy. Centralize your official templates. Place approved company templates, like reports, memos, and letters, in a single, easy-to-find folder. Encourage everyone to start new documents from these templates so formatting and branding stay consistent across the team. If you're using SharePoint, layer in metadata. Tag your documents with attributes such as client name, project status, and document type. Metadata lets people filter and find the right file fast, regardless of where it lives in the folder structure. It's especially powerful when combined with a shallow hierarchy and clear naming conventions. By establishing a simple, logical structure, leaning on real-time collaboration and version history, standardizing templates, and using SharePoint metadata, you'll spend less time searching and more time doing the work that matters. Keep it consistent, keep it shallow, and make the system work for your team.